This past weekend, we celebrated Lily's 6th birthday in embarrassing fashion. We started by opening everyone's advent calendars. We have a big day ahead, so we needed to caffeinate with a puppuccino. Lily helped me with a quick pre-approval. And then it was time for cake. It's just a bunch of meat with a candle in it, basically. Then a quick nap before doing our favorite thing in the world. You go swimming? You go swimming? You go swimming? Swimming? Good talk, bud. Did you know that over 30 million Americans celebrate their dog's birthday? So I don't feel so stupid. She would live in the water if she could. Here's her refusing to get out.
Come on, son, leave.
And then we returned home for seconds on our meat cake. Happy birthday, Lil.